To track CyberScout identity theft insurance, start by understanding what it entails. CyberScout is a comprehensive identity theft protection service that offers insurance to help victims recover from identity theft. First, ensure you have a policy in place. If your bank, credit union, or other financial institution offers CyberScout, review your account details to see if you are enrolled. Next, familiarize yourself with the services provided by CyberScout, including credit monitoring, fraud alerts, and identity theft restoration. To track your insurance, log into your online account or contact your financial institution to confirm your enrollment status and coverage details. It is essential to review your credit reports regularly to detect any suspicious activity. You can request a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. If you suspect identity theft, contact CyberScout immediately to report the incident and initiate the recovery process. A dedicated fraud specialist will guide you through the necessary steps to restore your identity. Best practices include monitoring your accounts regularly, using strong and unique passwords, and avoiding phishing scams. Additionally, keep your personal and financial information secure by using two-factor authentication and encrypting sensitive data. By following these steps and staying proactive, you can effectively track your CyberScout identity theft insurance and protect yourself from potential identity theft threats. Remember to stay informed about the latest identity theft trends and security measures to ensure your personal and financial information remains secure.